Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Virgos, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. Virgos, we are picking these cards, guys. So these are for your general energies, this is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, guys. Virgos, and I also have a special pick a card love reading right after this general energy. So if you are interested, stay tuned for that reading, guys. That will follow this general energy, guys. Virgos, so let's see what are these cards here. We have cross, clover and ship. So Virgos, in your situation today, guys, maybe you are feeling stuck to certain routine or a certain way of working, or you have you are restricting yourself to a particular way of thinking or doing things, and you have maybe sacrificed a lot, faced a lot of trials, maybe for this work or for this love, and you have done a lot of things. But if you want to taste success, or if you want to grab those opportunities or offers coming in your career, or some new love coming in your life, you need to be ready to step out of your comfort zone, guys. Maybe you don't want to step out of your comfort zone today. So only when you step out of your comfort zone, you will be there to grab those opportunities, because something lucky, some new offer or opportunity in your career or personal life is going to knock you, guys, and you should not let go of that opportunity today, guys. So if you want to seize that luck or that chance, you need to step out of your comfort zone, and it is not going to last long. So you should be ready when that opportunity knocks. You should be ready to grab those opportunities, guys. So that is what I see, guys, with these cards. Let's see what is the card for your relationship first. We have letter. So this card just means that there is a person coming with some kind of a message, or some written form of communication is reaching you today, guys, and it may be something good, something positive, which is giving you lot of hope, and there are some kind of announcement or a news, happy news coming in your situation today, guys. Virgos, so in your relationship, maybe this person wants a commitment. They are planning to propose to you, or you are planning to propose to them. Some kind of a positive news is what is happening in your relationship, guys. Virgos, so let's see what is the card for your career. We have anchor. So some kind of success in your career, guys. Maybe you have accomplished something, and you are simply going to get very lucky today, guys. Virgos, so that is the reading with these cards, guys. If you want more clarity, you can watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, today we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. so that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with this card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with this card. So I will keep this card here. So let's see what is this card for y'all, guys. The first card, the human gift. So this card comes with a special guidance, guys. Maybe in your situation, in your circumstance today. In the past, maybe certain circumstances, it was not clear and you did not know what to do, or what is the reason for that situation, or what is happening, or what happened in that particular situation. You do not have any knowledge. But today you are seeing things clearly. You have that insight, the truth behind the circumstance, guys, and what has happened. And it is simply shocking you. What you perceive today is simply revealing the truth, truly shocking for you. And you are feeling some kind of wonder, or you feel that you cannot believe yourself for thinking certain things, but what is right in front of you is something totally different, guys. And you are to trust your perception, the way you see your situation. And maybe what you perceive may be something dark, something not right, or something bad, but you should not judge that circumstance or judge that situation. So you need to see that circumstance or that person as it is, truthfully, with that compassion in your heart, and you will be shown the very graceful way to come out of that difficult situation. Free yourself from that darkness, from within and without, and from your situation, from your circumstance, guys. So you need to be really compassionate and graceful when you perceive the truth today, maybe of some circumstance or some person. So if you have that compassion is going to help you out of this difficult situation, guys, in your life. So that is the reading with this card, guys, for those who have chosen this card. So let's see what is the other card. I will keep this card here. So the second card, let's see what is this card. So it is Puss in Boots. That is the card for y'all. So this card just means that you need to be really intelligent, charming, and using your wits and talents to make things go for you, guys. And you need to be really clever, and you need to be diplomatic in situations, certain situations, what needs your diplomacy. And in certain situations you should use your charming skills, your talents of persuasion to proceed in the right way. So whatever opportunities you are seeing today, maybe in love, whatever you need, you should try to use each and every opportunity, guys. And for some of you, there is a friend who is clever, who is really talented, and who is really guiding you with their intelligence. So if you have someone like that, you need to use that person's advice, guys. So that may help you a lot today. And I also see that you should not waste any opportunity. So you should go forward, grab those opportunities, whatever you are having, and try to work things out. It may be in your career or it may be in this relationship. And you, whenever whatever behavior is the appropriate ones, maybe sometimes you need to be diplomatic, and sometimes you need to be strong, hold on to your views, and be maybe try to persuade the other person to follow certain things. So when your situation calls for that behavior, you should go for that. So handle any situation with that skill and talent, so that way you will be really successful, guys, in your relationship and in your life. So that is the energy with this card for those who have chosen this card. That is the reading, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.